I needed to make specific assignments from his assessment. He develops the general theory of the crime scene, process is in motion. Okay, so the answer is, syempre, investigator on case. Okay? Tatlo lang naman yung class, yung important character sa sa crime scene investigation. Okay? Andyan po ang investigator on case. Okay? Andyan po yung first responder. And okay, if the crime involved is serious in nature, okay, serious in nature, okay, then that is the time kung saan kailangan na po yung presence ng scene of the crime operatives. Okay, SOCO personnel. Okay, number 2. It is the simple questioning of victims or witnesses. Okay, simple questioning. Ano sagot? Okay, interview. Okay, ang interrogation, skillful questioning. Instrumentation class. Di ba meron tayong tatlong tools? Di ba? Tatlong tools of criminal investigation. Yung 3 I's. Di ba? Ano yung 3 I's? Inom, iyon, iwan. Okay, mali. Yan po ay interview or interrogation. Okay, andyan po yung information. At nandiyan yung instrumentation. Okay? Take note, lumabas ng 2019 board exam. Okay, which of the following tools of investigation, okay, wherein physical evidence is required to be submitted. Okay? So anong tawag, anong 3 tools of investigation na yun? Instrumentation. Okay? Kasi ito po yung application of the different fields of forensic sciences. Okay? So number 3. Okay, dito tayo kay bro sa'yo first. What kind of skills or characteristics an investigator has if he has the ability to last the investigation even in the face of difficulties? Okay, perseverance. Okay. Next, number 4. It is the taking of personal property belonging to another with intent to gain. Okay, without force upon things. Okay, that is theft. Okay, that is theft. Okay, number 5. It is the statement of witnesses that has been reduced into writing. Refers to deposition. Okay, fresh na fresh, no? Kakasabi ko lang kanina. Okay, dito tayo kay Mary Ann. Ayan. Ayan. So which of the following is the best type of witness? Babaw, Besh. Delta, di ba? Honest and cooperative witness. Okay, dito tayo kay Madam. No, tahimik lang, parang si Mami Oni. Okay. In robbery with violence or intimidation of person. Okay. Violence or intimidation must be present. Letter A. No? Before the thing is complete. Okay. Ang exception dyan, okay, pwedeng after, basta, okay, ang crime na na-commit during the course of robbery ay HRIAS, homicide, rape, intentional mutilation, arson, and serious physical injury. Okay, number 8. Eto. Anong pangalan mo, ma'am? Nisa. Okay, Nisa. Bulbulito took the cell phone of Cathy Eco. Okay. After getting the cell phone, the former. Okay. Sa report writing class, pag may former at latter, yung former, ang tinutukoy dito, yung unang tao na binanggit. Okay. The former ran and the latter tried to match the former to get back his cell phone. Okay. While the latter was running, the former grabbed the latter and punched him. What is the crime committed by Bulbulito? Theft and physical injury. Okay. Si Bulbulito yung nagnakaw ng cellphone. Kinabol siya ngayon ni Makati ang Eko. Si Kati Eko. Okay. So, when the latter was running, the former grabbed the latter. Hinawakan niya. Okay. And the latter punched him. Okay. The former. Yung nagnakaw. Hinawakan niya yung humahabol. Tapos, sinuntok niya. The latter punched him. Okay? Nakakalito, no? Okay? Ano nga ba yan? Si Bulbulito Bayagbag, hinawakan niya si Kati Eko. Kaso si Kati Eko, sinuntok. Okay? Si Bulbulito. Okay? So, the crime is theft and physical injury ba? Okay. The answer is theft. Okay. Huwag kang pala desisyon, Mina. Kasi, sino ba ang nanakit? Okay. Si latter, si Kati Eko. Okay. Ang ano natin dito, si Bulbulito. Okay. Pala desisyon. Okay. The answer is theft. Okay. Bakit theft? Kasi nung kinuha ni Bulbulito yung cellphone, no? Si Marga mahimbing na natutulog. Okay. Nung kinuha ni Bulbulito, wala namang binanggit na force or intimidation, ba? So the answer is theft. Number 9. Okay. A confessed that he owns the knife that killed B, but A did not admit the killing. What do you call the statement of A? Admission. Okay, that is admission. Okay? So, next. Number 10. Okay, dito tayo kay... Uy, sexy din mo. Sexy. Which of the following, 2019 question, is not a common element of robbery and theft? The offense can be committed by a band. Kasi, ito yung characteristic ng robbery. Okay. Dito tayo kay Flo G. Okay. What is the liability of the offender who, on the occasion of the crime of robbery, killed his cohort while trying to flee from the scene? Alba, sir. Alba lang. Robbery with homicide. Tatandaan, kahit na niya yung basta in the course or as a result of the robbery. Okay, that is robbery with homicide. Number 12, andito pala si Felix. Okay. Now, bro. Felix Bakat snatched the bag of a lady walking along Algeciras Street. Committed what crime? Okay, the answer is A. Okay. Pero class, sa report writing, okay, pag maglalagay tayo ng proper designation, ano? Ay, ito, si Joshua. Mataas. Okay. So, pag maglalagay tayo ng designation of the offense, no, sa report writing, okay, kung ano yung designation na nakalagay sa revised penal code, yun ang ilalagay natin. Okay? Dito, robbery snatching. May crime ba na robbery snatching? Robbery hold-up. May crime ba na robbery hold-up? Wala. Okay, dalawa lang yan. Robbery with forcible things or robbery with intimidation or violence against person. Okay? Okay, 13. Ikaw, bro. Symptoms of guilt accompanied with flushed face which indicates anger, embarrassment, or extreme nervousness. That is color change, sweating, dryness of mouth, or excessive activity of Adam's apple. Color change. Okay, kasi ang tinitignan dito, Flash face, di ba? Namumula yung muka. Okay? Isa daw to sa indication ng anger. Okay, so the answer is color change. Okay, and next. Subject is constantly moving about in the chair, pulling his ears, rubbing his face, picking and twerking the nose. Okay. Yeah. Pag merong excessive na behavior or paggalaw sa habang nakaupo, di ba? Ginagalaw yung panort, di ba? Ginagawang south. Okay. Ayan. So that will be fidgeting. Okay, fidgeting. 15, ano? Nina, 15. Paki-angat. Okay, next, bro. Which of the following is the correct format of conducting interview? Okay, bravo. Okay. Hindi kasi ang color change at saka sweating, it indicates nervousness talaga yan. Okay? Nervousness. No? Yan dalawa, resulta yan ng pagiging nervous, okay, ng isang tao. Kaso, ang tinutukoy kasi dito, flash face, that indicates embarrassment, diba? Or extreme nervousness. Flash face, namumula yung mukha. Okay? So that will be color change. Okay? Dito, fidgeting. Okay, number 15, ironic format. Okay. Next, bro. 16. Yung 15, letter B yan, ha? Okay, 16, bayagbag. The suspect to the killing of minor does not want to answer questions propounded by the investigator on case. Can the latter force the former to answer his question? No or yes? No. O dalawa yan. Which is which? Letter B. The answer is no. No law compels a person to talk to the police if he does not want to. Okay, how about letter D? The suspect must be represented by both counsel, preferably of his own choice. So generally speaking, no. Okay? Kasi no person cannot force a person, okay, to answer questions because that will be a violation of his constitutional rights against self-incrimination. Okay, dito tayo kay brother. Wala pa kayong laro, bro, sa ano? Rain or shine? Si Boom. Joke lang. The next, 17. Which of the following is not one of the attitudes of the investigator? Alpha. Okay. He must avoid destructive mannerism. Okay. So, 17A. Ano na? Ayaw nga pala, no? Si 95 out of 200. B. Okay, so na ba tayo? 18. Legal requirement of interrogation is that the statement of the subject must be obtained voluntarily and trustworthy. Statements acquired through threat, coercion, or under duress will vitiate the free will of the subject. Is not admissible in court as evidence. Under which of the following doctrine? Letter A. Oh, pinilit mo pa kasi. Mali tuloy. That is exclusionary. exclusionary rule. So ano ba yung doctrine of last clear chance? Okay. Ang doctrine of last clear chance na sa traffic, sa road crash investigation yan, kung saan, okay, the driver who has in the better position to prevent the accident must be the one to prevent it. Or yung other definition niya, the person or the driver, okay, who have shown later negligence, okay, shall be the one at fault. Okay, yan yung doctrine of last clear chance. So, sa madaling sabi, yung dalawang driver nagbanggaan, nagpakita sila parehas ng negligence or kapabayaan. Kung sino yung driver na nagpakita ng huling kapabayaan, siya po ang mayroong liability. Okay? Plain view doctrine. Ano ba yung plain view doctrine? Okay? Yung mga pieces of evidence or yung mga objects, okay, that was not listed in the search warrant, okay, must not be seized by any police or any peace officer of the law. Okay? Kung ano lang yung item na nakasulat sa search warrant, yun lang. Okay? Kahit nasabihin mo, paano kung ganito? Example, may search warrant ka, baril lang. Baril lang ang nakalagay sa warrant. Okay? So, binuksan mo yung mga drawer. Nakita mo yung baril. Pag-angat mo ng baril, mayroong shabu. Okay. Pwede ba natin kuhanin yung shabu? Pwede? Shabu yun, di ba? Pwede hindi. Pwede hindi. Okay. Hindi pwede. Okay. Kasi kung ano lang yun nakalagay sa search warrant. Paano kung, okay, nakita mo yung shabu, nakapatong lang sa taas ng aparador. Nakalagay dito, shabu. Uy, shabu to. Pwede hindi? Okay, pwede. Yan po yung application ng plain view doctrine. Okay? Plain sight. Okay, hindi mo na kailangang maghalubog pa. Okay, nakita mo na in plain sight. Okay? Next. Okay, dito tayo kay bro. 19. The interrogator makes clear his belief that the subject is obviously not the solo person who usually gets mixed up in a crime, and that he is not dealing with a fellow who is a criminal by nature and choice. Ang sagot bro. Letter D. Shifting the blame. Kasi meron tayo, as an investigator, meron tayo sinisising ibang tao. Okay? Shifting the blame. Okay? How about the pretense of physical evidence? Okay? So ito, papalabasin mo doon sa tao na meron ng mga physical evidence na nakuha naman sa kanya. Okay? Black one is split pair. Okay lang yun na. Matt and Jen. Okay, hot and cold police officer. Back to you. Okay. 20. May be applied to calm, bro, in a nervous subject. The answer is, okay, letter C. Jolting. Okay, ginagawa yung jolting para pakalmahin yung ninenervous na tao. Okay, pag kumalma na siya, tsaka ka lang mag-pull all ng relevant question. Okay, next. Yan, bro. Ito lahat na nakasalamin na tinanong ko, hindi pa nagkamali ng tinanong. Kasi sabi nila, ano daw yung genius type? Tingnan natin. The following are the methods of identifying the criminals, except by confession or admission, eyewitness, circumstantial, associative, or trace evidence. Ano bro? Mukha na pressure ka. Alpha. Na? Ayan. Mali. Sa methods of identifying, okay, the criminals class, take note of the acronym SEAP, or depende sa inyo. Pwedeng SECA. Okay, bahala nga kayo. Okay. Pwede rin ACE. Okay. Ayan. So, ano-ano ba yung SECA na yan or SEAC na yan? Okay. Confession or admission in letter C. Okay, yung letter E, eyewitness. Okay, letter A, associative evidence. And letter C is, okay, circumstantial evidence. Okay? Alam niyo na yung confession or admission. Okay. Eyewitness. Okay? Can any person be a witness? Pwede ba maging witness ang kahit na sinong tao? Okay, yes. Any person can be a witness as long as he can perceive. As long as he can perceive. Okay? Nakakakita siya, nakakarinig, nakakapagsalita, nakakaramdam. Okay? And perceiving can make known his perception to others. Okay? Yung nakita, narinig, nalasahan, okay, naamoy, nahawakan, kaya niyang i-express, okay, sa ibang tao. Okay? Sirain ng plastic. Okay? Kaya niyang i-express sa ibang tao. Kaso dito, pinag-uusapan ay witness, yung nakita niya. Eh paano kung pipe? Paano niya masasabi sa korte o sa ibang tao kung ano yung nakita niya? Ano ba? Yes, pwedeng gumamit ng sign language. What? Paano sign language? O paano kung narrate? Di ba yun? Okay, ano? Okay. So yung po, eyewitness. Okay? As long as he can perceive and perceiving can make known his perception to others. Okay? An eyewitness. Circumstantial evidence. Okay, so ito naman yung ano, yung pagsasama-sama ng two or more, okay, circumstances na pag pinagsama mo yon, makakabuo tayo na tinatawag natin inference that a crime has been committed. Okay, inference. Yung associative, okay, yung associative evidence class, tandaan nyo, gasgas na po. Okay, parang yung katawan ng ethics, okay, sa board exam. Okay, bakit? Okay, kasi ang keyword natin dyan is link. Okay, link the suspect to the crime scene or link the suspect to the victim. Okay? For example, si Sergio, okay, pinasok niya yung bahay ni Angge. Okay, by force. Kinuha yung laptop ni Angge. Kinuha yung cellphone ni Angge. Okay? Kinuha yung lingerie o yung 90s ni Angge. May nakaburda rito. Angge nakalagay. Okay? Angge tapos may heart. Burdado yun ha. Okay? Ngayon, nagreklamo, tumawag na responde si Angge. Sir, nanakawan po ako. Ano yung nakuha sa'yo? Laptop, cellphone, tsaka yung lingerie, yung 90s ko. Yung payback ko, sir. May burda rito na Angge. Tapos merong heart sign. Okay, ngayon, di hinahanap yung tao. Wala hindi makita. Hanggang one time, itong si Sergio, nag-UOC, nakaubad pa. No? Nakaubad pa. Nakita rin kulay pula na lingerie, nakalagay Angge. Suot ni Sergio. Ayan. So, yung lingerie ni Angge, nakita. Sir, yung po yung lingerie ko. Akin po yan, Angge. Anong Angge? Yung si Sergio. Akin yung bruha. Pinakita mo yung ano, yung kulot ni ano. Then, so yung lingerie na yung class, it create a link or connection. Okay? It links a connection between the suspect to the victim. Okay, another example. Naiwan ni Sergio yung kanyang ID. Okay. Naiwan ni Sergio yung kanyang ID. Okay. Sergio. Okay. Sergio Blackstone. Okay. Ayan. Paano mo nasabing si Sergio yan? Sir, ito po yung picture. Okay, joke lang. Okay. Naiwan niya sa crime scene. So therefore, it creates a link or connection between the suspect to the crime scene. Yan po yung associative evidence. Okay? Trace evidence, minute evidence subject for microscopic examination. Okay? 22. Ewan ko, hindi ka nakikinig. Ang sagot dyan ay E. Okay, trace evidence. Okay, 22. Sino na? It enables the investigator to recognize a pattern of criminal behavior, to predict, approximate the next target of criminals. Okay, that is letter D, modus operandi. Okay. Ano ba yung alibi? Weakest? Weakest? Defense? Diba? Ang alibi kasi, class, ito yung defense ng isang tao na other than the crime scene, he had gone to other places. Sabi niya, hindi, nung gantong oras, nandito ako sa nandito ako sa Chops Online. Okay? Pero so yung totoo niyan, nandoon pala siya sa siya pala yung gumawa ng crime scene. Okay, yung mga ganon. Alibi. Okay? And opportunity, it is the time where the offender had the time to execute the commission of the crime. Okay, 23, bro. The searchers will proceed the same pace along the path parallel to one side of the rectangle. Okay, that is strip search method. Okay, strip search method. Okay, 24. Ito, tropa. Art Buruse, with intent to gain, smashed the doorknob with a hammer so that he could gain entry. He took away laptops and cell phones. What crime is committed? Okay, that is robbery. Okay. Using force upon takes as a means of entry. Okay. Next kay Mina. Hindi, ikaw muna, bro. In a house, there is a wide open window. Dito ba yan mag-enter through it? He was able to take away valuables from that house. What will the crime committed? Ano answer, brother? Wide open window. Pinasok. Sagot. Antay ka namin hanggang 7. Ano? D. C. Robbery or the property belongs to another. Okay? And, so, paano naman yung theft? Yung theft property taken belongs to another. Okay, so the answer is letter D. Robbery, or there is force upon thieves. Okay. Ilang beses kung pinaulit yan, di ba? Kahit na open yung window, kahit hindi mo ginamitan ng puwersa, yung window na yan, class, okay, is not intended for its purpose. Hindi yan entrance. Okay? Hindi yan pasukan. Kaya kahit na open window yan, it is presumed under the law that there is force upon things. Okay. Genesis, okay, ito yung skillful na tao. Okay, kasi ang doktor yan, nagiging police din, carpintero, Owen Gray and Mancanor, all chargers, introduce themselves as a drug enforcement unit in order to gain entrance with the house of Sana all. Okay, Lexilor. They took away properties with intent to gain from Lexilor. What will be the crime committed, Marga? Delta robbery, since they pretending to be the exercise of public authority. Okay. Ay public authority. Letter D. Okay, next. Ma'am, sir. Okay, ma'am, sir. Hop. So these are reluctant types of witness. They are among the uneducated and of low level of intelligence. Reluctant type of witnesses daw. Okay? They are among the uneducated and of low level of intelligence. Ano sagot? Alpha, no? Then disinterested type. Okay. Disinterested type. 28. They are the shy type of witnesses. Timid witness. Okay. Shy type. Basta mahihain na witness. Okay. Timid witness. Okay, next. Yan, si Madam. Okay. Acknowledgement of circumstances without accepting guilt. Alpha, no? With admission. Okay. Pag sasagot nga kayong class, aside from the letter, okay, yung words din. Ayan. So, 30. Next, ikaw, ma'am. A lawyer of the person arrested on his own choice is being referred to as Bravo. Counsel de parte. Next, 31. Technique where the investigator combines skill of an actor and a psychologist, addresses the suspect with an emotional appeal. Ano sagot? Ikaw, si Madam Petit. Okay. Anong sagot mo? Alpha. Okay. Kasi ito na nga, oh, emotional. Ay, putik ka. Mali. Sorry. Sorry. No. Okay. Ito na nga, class, di ba? Emotional appeal. Okay. Andun na po yung sagot sa... Ha? Sorry. Na-carried away ako ng aking emotion. No? Okay. So, emotional appeal yan. Letter L. Okay. So, 32. Actually, ano to touchscreen. Naglalag The complainant. Okay. Ayan, si Puti. Ganda din mo. Hindi, kamukha niya si Liza. Liza si Kevin. Pagdating na panahon, balon. The complainant. Ang gulong sa aparato. The complainant, witness or victim is requested to point positively the suspect who is among the persons in the line. Okay. Turo mo. Alpha, no? Police show up. Okay, police show up. Sa ano class? Diyan sa may sa malapit sa Lucky Chinatown, may show up diyan. Okay, 17 lang. Okay, pag may kilala kang police, 17 ang bigay. Titingnan mo anong number? Number 2 pa po, number 2. Show up pinakita, show up. Ayan. Show up yun. Okay. Iba show up yun. Okay. So, complainant, witness, or victim is requested to point positively. The suspect is among. So, ibig sabihin, may mga kasama siya. Okay. Among the persons in the line. So, that will be, okay, line, okay, police line up. Okay. Ang police lineup, usually 5 to 7 persons yan. 5 to 7 persons with, okay, almost the same height, the same physical features, Okay, the same skin complexion. Okay? Ang purpose nito, para ma-eliminate yung power of suggestion. Yung tipong mema lang, may maituro lang. Okay? Ayan. So, 33, Mina. Ibaba mo pa. Ayan. Kasi sasagot si Jet Li. Jet Li, in the presence of actually, yan yung gusto kong yan yung gusto kong hairline na pinadya. Ayaw ko kasi si Jet Li. Watch out! Oh, bro. In the presence of the suspect, the investigator will discuss and debate about the stream of evidence of the case that will result to conviction of maximum penalty. Okay. Ano ang sagot dyan? Indifference, feigning protection and consideration, jolting, or bluff on a split pair. Presence of the suspect. The investigator will discuss and debate about the string evidence of the case that will result, okay, to conviction of maximum penalty. Letter? Boy. Feigning protection o alpha? Alpha. Okay, indifference. Okay. So dito class yung jolting, wala na yan. Okay? Yung bluff on a split pair, wala na rin yan. Okay? So which is which? Indifference or feigning protection and consideration. Okay. So dito, yan, i-discuss nila at pagdedebatehan yung mga pieces of evidence of the case that will result to conviction of maximum penalty. Okay. So the answer is letter A. That will be an indifference. Okay. Indifference. Next. 34. Okay. Yung nasa likod ni brother. It is the use of reasons which is acceptable to the subject that led to the commission of the crime. Use of reasons acceptable to the subject that led to the commission of the crime. Ano sagot? Okay. Ano sagot, brother? Use of reasons, ito yung pagdadahilan niya, okay, which is acceptable to the subject that led to the commission of the crime. Jolting, wala na rin yan. Diba? Ang minimization, okay, ito yun di ba? Minimization, okay, papababain yung penalty. Diba? Pag nag-cooperate, projection or rationalization. That is rationalization. Use of reason. Katulad ng ginagawa natin, nagra-rationalize tayo. Nire-reason out natin bakit ito yung napili nating sagot. Okay? Ano na? Next. Gawin mo yung system, ha? Okay. Si brother. Which of the following is or are not physical signs of deception? Alpha? Excessive sweating. Physical signs. Ibig sabihin, nakikita sa physical. Nakikita sa katawan. Excessive sweating. Nakikita yan sa katawan. Color change. Nakikita din sa katawan. Diba? Dry mouth. Nakikita rin sa katawan yan. Color blood. Nakikita rin sa katawan. Pero hindi yan physical signs of deception. Okay? So the answer is letter D. Diba? Color of blood. Okay? Kasi ginagamit natin yan in ascertaining death. Okay? In ascertaining death. Color of blood. Okay? Diyan na papasok sina libor, mortis. Okay, so next. An act defining certain rights of a person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation. Answer is Delta, di ba? RA 7438. Okay. Ano ba yung ano, class? RA 9745. I-search nyo nga. Tingnan nyo kung tama ako. Kung yan ba ay anti-torture law. Yan, yung RA 9745. No? Kung di ako nagkakamali, anti-torture law. RA 8551, ito yung Reform and Reorganization Act of the PNP. Yung RA 9346, ano ba yan? It is the abolishment of the death penalty. Okay. Next. 37. Okay. Lores. Quality of a good interviewer that develops intimacy between the interviewer and the interviewee. Charlie, rapport. Okay, letter C. Okay, 38. Nagkamali na yung isa nakasalamin. Okay, tingnan natin si brother. So, magkakamali. The following are reasons why witnesses refuses to talk. Except letter D, no? Egotist attitude of the interviewee. Okay. Kasi yung ABC, kasama lahat yan. Okay. 39. Okay. Yan talaga feminine. Yung feminine color, pink eh. Diba? Sige, Madam Lenny. Banat. The following are the rules in questioning the subject, except one question at a time, avoid implied answers, simplicity of questions, or close-ended question. Delta. Okay? Close-ended question. Yan yung mga questions answerable by yes or no. Okay, 40. The taking of a person to custody. Si, ano nga ulit pangalan? Gian. Okay, si Gian. The taking of person to custody in order for him or her to answer for the commission of the crime. Referred to as alpha, warrantless, ay delta. Arrest, di ba? Napaka-basic niyan. Taking of person to custody in order for him or her to answer. Arrest in flagrante delicto, yan yung caught in the act. Okay, search warrant, warrantless arrest. 41. Okay, si Angel. It is conducted once a suspect was arrested without warrant. Dog. Ayan ba favorite mo yung dog na yan? Hot pursuit, arrest. Okay, mali ang hot pursuit arrest, ha? That will be inquest proceeding. Okay. Inquest proceeding. So itong preliminary investigation, medyo mahaba yan, class. Okay, I will be discussing that. Okay, when we come to criminal justice system. Okay, so I will be the one who will discuss criminal justice system. Okay, 42. Ayan, si brother. Okay. Ito yung evolution ni Jet Li. What's up? Anthony was walking along Blumentritt Street when he saw a wallet full of cash. He spends the money without giving or reporting it to the authority. Hindi niya binigyan yung authority. Hindi niya pinigay sa authority. What will be limited? If there is any. Child step only since there is no force or intimidation. Okay. Letter C. Diba? Step. Okay, that is step. Okay, 43. Okay, bro, ikaw. A borrowed the car of B. A did not brought it back to B. Is there a crime committed? That is, borrowed the car of B. Pinahiram. He did not brought it back. Ano yung meron sa, ano yung binigay sa kanya ng may-ari? Material possession. Binigyan din siya ng juridical possession. Okay? Okay, that is estafa. Okay? Pero kung inutusan lang siya out of trust, okay? Out of trust. Kasi he is a domestic servant, okay, then only material possession is being given. So that will be qualified there. 44. Okay, next. A smashed the windshield of a motor vehicle owned by B. After that, A stole the laptop by inserting his hand to the smashed windshield. What crime was committed by A? Yeah, bro. Theft only. Okay, theft. Except kung yung yung sasakyan nasa loob mismo ng garage, okay, that makes this motor vehicle as part of the house, extension of the house. So that will be theft. 45. Okay, next. 45. Okay, brother. Which of the following you should not mark a pistol? Saan daw dyan hindi mo pwede markahan ang pistol? Ha? Hindi, ako. A. Barrel. Okay. Ano ba ang pistol? Di ba may barrel yan? Okay, may barrel yan. Okay. Slide, may slide ba yun? Yes, nakakasayan. Okay, ito yan. Okay, ito example. Okay, barrel. Okay, may barrel, may slide, may muzzle. Di ba may muzzle din? Okay. May cylinder ba yan? Hindi. Characteristic kasi yan ng revolver. Okay? So the answer is letter D. Cylinder. Okay? Cylinder yung pinaglalagyan ng bala ng pistol. Okay. Next. Kasunod mo. Okay. Ito bro. Okay. And warrant of arrest. Expiration. Within 10 days. Okay. Tatandaan nyo, class. Ayan, mali na. Ha? Mali yan. Pala desisyon ka na naman, ha? Okay. Pag expiration of warrant of arrest, it has no fixed, hindi yung walang duration, ha? No fixed duration. Okay? No fixed duration. Eh sir, ano ba yung within 10 days? Yung within 10 days, yung manner of execution. Yung execution, hanggang kailan ba valid ang execution ng warrant of arrest? Within 10 days. Okay? So the answer to this is no fixed duration. Huwag niyo sasabihin na wala pong expiration yan. Wala pong duration yan. Okay? Kasi once the person was arrested, then expired na agad yun. Okay? No fixed duration. 47. Ayan, ito bro, medyo tricky. Okay, 47. Alindog was arrested by virtue of warrant of arrest for the crime of homicide. Okay? Ang homicide, grave offense. Then the arresting officers must deliver the arrested persons to the proper judicial authorities within how many hours? A. 36 hours. Okay. 36 hours? May iba pang sagot? May ibang sagot? Alam mo na yan, di ba? Nag-final ko. Ay, hindi pa pala, hindi pala ikaw yung ibang batch pala ng PCCR. 24 hours, oy, may isang kamuntay na joke lang. Okay? 12, 1836 lang yun. Diba? Walang 24 hours. 24 hours kung nandyan sa Marina Mansion. Okay. 24 hours, ang babayaran mo lang 500. Hindi, joke lang. Ano sagot? Okay. Maraming sumagot ng 36 hours. Okay. Pero ang sagot dyan ay none. Okay. Wala po. Bakit? Bakit? Nahuli mo by virtue of a warrant of arrest. Okay. Ang warrant of arrest, ini-issue ng judge yan upon filing of the case. Meron na pong sinampang kaso. Okay? So to give you a sneak peek no, sa ating criminal justice system. Okay? Para makita nyo lang yung difference between inquest proceeding at saka yung preliminary investigation. Di ba ang inquest proceeding, nahuli yung tao, okay, without warrant of arrest. Ngayon, merong crime na nangyari. At large yung tao, hindi mo na ba pwedeng sampahan ng kaso? Pwede pa hindi? Pwede. Okay, hindi na, wala tayong pag-uusapan kung hindi na pwede. Okay, by virtue of a direct filing. Okay, direct filing. Or ito yung tinatawag din na case filing. Okay? At large yung tao. At tulad nung na nagasa ng traffic enforcer sa Makati ata, di ba? Sinagasaan ng driver yung security guard. Okay. After 10 days, tsaka lumutang sa office ni General Tanaw. Okay? Hindi na ba pwedeng arrestuin? Hindi na. Kasi hindi na siya papasok sa hot pursuit arrest. Hindi na siya papasok ng hot pursuit arrest. So ano ang magiging remedy? Ano ang remedyo? Ayun, sampahan ng kaso through direct filing. Kanina ba sinasampa to? Prosecutor. Prosecutor. Okay? Si prosecutor, magkakandak ng inquest proceeding ba? Wala nga yung tao. Ayan. Dito magkakandak si prosecutor ng PI. Okay? Hindi ito yung utang ina. Okay? Kundi ito ay preliminary investigation. Okay? Yan. So, preliminary investigation. So, dito, yan, padadala summon yung respondent. Okay? Para kung meron ba, kung gusto niya bang sagutin yung tinatawag na complaint affidavit. Complaint. Okay? Complaint affidavit. Ito haluan na natin ng technical report writing. Complaint affidavit. Okay. So ito yung nagsampa ng kaso. Siyempre sa preliminary investigation, gusto rin malaman ni prosecutor yung side ng respondent. Madadala ng summon para tatanungin niya kung gusto niya bang sagutin ng complaint affidavit. Ano ang tawag doon sa sagot ni respondent kay complaint affidavit? That will be reply affidavit. Okay. Ngayon, ipapatawag din yung yung nagsampa ng kaso. Tatanungin kung gusto niya bang sagutin tong reply affidavit. Okay. Ano ang tawag natin doon? Ay, sorry. So this will be counter. Sorry. Counter affidavit. Okay? Ang sagot naman ni respondent dito ay ni complainant ay reply affidavit. Ang sagot naman ni respondent sa reply affidavit ay tinatawag natin na rejoinder. Take note of this class. Okay, it is either counter affidavit, reply affidavit, or rejoinder affidavit. Yung lumabas nung August 2022. Okay, 2022 board exam. Hindi kasi masabi, nakalimutan kasi nung reviewee kung ano talaga yung mismong question. Pero it has something to do with the answer of the respondent. Okay? So pwedeng counter or rejoinder. Ngayon, class, sa preliminary investigation, ano ang purpose? Ano yung hinahanap ni prosecutor? Okay, probable cause. Okay, probable cause. Pag may probable cause, ano kasunod? Okay, filing of information. Okay? Nakakasunod pa? Okay. Pag di kayo makasunod, class, balik na rin yung damit. Okay, para hindi tayo maligaw. Kanino sinasampang information? Kay? Anong klaseng court? Victoria Court? Hindi. Criminal court. Di ba? Criminal court. Okay, court. Okay? Si court, okay, through the represented by judge. Okay? Magkakandak dapat siya ng di ba? Yung proper court procedure. Andiyan yung arraignment, pre-trial, trial, yung judgment, at saka yung appeal. Di ba? Kaso nga, wala yung tao. Ano yung ikakandak ni judge? Subpoena. Okay, ikakandak niya. Meron tayo subpoena rito. Magkakandak si judge ng sarili niya preliminary investigation. Okay? Kasi walang trial. Bakit? Wala yung tao at large. Dito sa preliminary investigation, hinahanapan niya rin ng probable cause. Okay? Pag nakitaan niya ng probable cause, anong kasunod? Issuance of warrant of arrest. So kung may warrant of arrest na, dumaan na sa prosecutor at sa court. Okay? Kaya pagka nahuli yung tao by virtue of a warrantless or by virtue of a warrant of arrest, may mumudyo, may nagpaparamdam na mapanghin dyan. Okay. So, pag nahuli yung tao na may warrant of arrest, hindi mo na kailangang inquest. Okay? Kasi na-decision na, nahanapan na, nakitaan na ng probable cause. Okay, malinaw po? Okay. Sa 48 tayo. Ano oras na ba? Magsi-6 na pala. Okay. So tapusin na lang natin hanggang 50. Okay. Saan next tayo? Yun nasa likod, bro. Which of the following is the legal basis of a raid? Legal basis of a raid? There must be a probable cause. There must be a tip information. There must be a valid search warrant or warrant of arrest. There must be a coordination with the PIDEA. Charlie. Charlie. Legal basis. Okay, galing, no? Number 49, it answers the modus operandi of the suspect. Bravo, no? The question, how was the crime committed? Okay, 50 tayo. Last question muna. Okay. It is the driving force that leads a person to do or not to do a certain act. Okay. The answer is motive. Okay. Is motive punishable already? Ano, brother? Punishable na ba yung motive? Hindi. Okay? Kasi, ano pa lang yan? Internal acts. Okay, so ibig sabihin, nasa isip pa lang natin yan. Okay? Pero pag yung motive na yan, pinakita natin through action, then it will become, okay, intent. Nakitaan na natin siya na intent. Okay? So, I guess that will be the end of the, my Ayan, so mag-pray muna tayo. Okay, bago tayo lumabas. Nalampakus na yung boses ko, okay? So maglilid ako ng worship song. Okay? Alam mo talaga, hindi so. Tayo. Yes, pasok! Ano ba yung red verse na yan? Okay, mag-ano muna tayo, no? Sa lahat ng mga nasabi at inisip natin na kalaswaan niya yung araw na to, ay humingi tayo ng tawad kay Lord. Okay. So, plus huwag kayong magtatampo or huwag sasama yung tingin nyo sa akin kasi I'm only doing this just for fun. Yung mga jokes, and therefore ano lang, para mabuhay lang inyong mga pag-aari. Okay, and then, so, ano muna tayo, no? Let's offer a short prayer. No? So, before we end this discussion. So, Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga biyaya na walang sawa yung pinagkakalob sa amin sa araw-araw. Maraming salamat po sa buhay at kalakasan na ibinigay mo po sa bawat isa sa amin. Ganun na rin po sa aming mga mahal sa buhay na wala rito sa venue. Maraming salamat po sa pag-iingat papunta at naway ingatan niyo pa rin po kami hanggang sa kami makauwi sa kanya-kanya naming mga tahanan. Maraming salamat po, Lord God, sa mga blessings, sa knowledge po na shinare ng bawat isa at nakuha rin po, na-adapt po sa isipan ng bawat reviewers po ng Chops Online and face-to-face review center. Maraming salamat po. Naway gamitin niyo po yung mga natutunan nila hanggang sa sila ay sumagot sa mga board exam questions sa darating na January 2024. Patnubayan niyo po ang bawat isa sa kanila, Lord God. Tulungan niyo po sila, bigyan niyo po sila ng sapat na kaisipan, kalakasan, at determinasyon na huwag silang sumuko at magamit nila po ang lahat ng kanilang natutunan para makapag-top sila sa board exam or di kaya makapasa po sa board examination. Ang lahat ng ito ay dinadalangin namin sa matamis na pangalan mo, Panginoon. Ang lahat po ay magsabi ng Amen. Okay. Okay, picture. Anong picture? Ano? Black and white? Pinatay mo ilaw eh. Dito. Okay, so ganda tayo na. Hindi, basta share ba? Paano ba yan ng chops? Okay, yan. Nakikita ba?